Hey people, welcome back to my channel, This Kitchen. If you are joining us for the first time, you're welcome. So today we're going to be making chicken curry sauce. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button below. So we're going straight to business of the day. This is my marinated chicken laps. This is my red bell pepper. This is my onions. I have my garlic and my stallions and my green Botch Sconnet and my green bell peppers. In fact, guys, the detailed ingredients that I use for this recipe will be seen in the description box below of this video. Please don't forget to check it out. And then for this my chicken, I marinated it in for about 6 hours before cooking. So you might want to marinate yours so that the taste can enter, inside the chicken. So I'm going to start by putting my vegetable oil into the pot, allow it to heat up before adding my marinated chicken into the pot of oil. I also added a lot of curry when I was marinating this chicken because of course it's called curry sauce, so we needed a lot of curry. Like I said, guys, this chicken was marinated. I'm also going to write down a list of all the ingredients I use for this for marinating my chicken. So I like to marinate my chicken very well so that the taste can enter into the chicken very well. But if you don't have time or probably in a hurry, you can go ahead and cook your chicken. But if you really want your chicken to have that unique taste, like the flavor, to have that rich taste, I would probably advise that you marinate it at least 2 hours before cooking. But if you don't have the time, of course you can go ahead and cook. So I'm going to flip it after some minutes, before adding my onions, my ginger, my garlic paste. Of course, I actually use all these things to marinate my chicken when I was marinating my chicken. But the taste is in the chicken. So this one is for my sauce, as I'm adding another one. So this one will not really enter into the chicken because I've already marinated the chicken, but to give it an extra taste. But of course, if you feel that you put enough or you put much in your chicken, you might decide not to add any other flavor or any other seasoning. It's up to you, totally up to you. Then I'm going to be adding my chicken broth. If you don't have one, you can add water or whatever it is that you have, maybe meat stock, whatever. So I used my chicken broth here from the one I had before now. Then I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. When it's slightly cooked, I'm going to add my Unripe Botch Sconnet. Now, there is this unique flavor that green peppers usually give. If you're very familiar with green pepper, so I really needed that flavor in this my recipe. So I went ahead to add my Irish potatoes already slashed, not cooked. I'm going to be cooking it right now. So I'm going to cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes on the max because I don't want it too soft. I don't want it overcooked. So when it's slightly cooked, I'm going to be adding my seasoning cubes. Again, if you feel that your chicken is quite tasty and probably you put quite enough, you don't want to add another one, you can decide to skip it. But if not, you can just add a little bit seasoning cube and a sprinkle of salt, so that the taste will be, yeah. After that, I'm going to be adding in my diced carrots. As you can see, I actually cut my carrots in circles. It's not like the usual long or the block or ways of cutting the other ones. This one is actually in circles, but of course you can cut it anyhow you want to cut it. All of them is still going to enter inside our stomach. But to give you that unique look, that beautiful look, that artistic look, don't mind, I'm just kidding. So I'm going to be cooking it for about 10 minutes on the max because I don't want to overcook the carrots. Just cook it enough to make it soft. Then I'm going to be adding my vegetables, my red bell pepper, my green bell pepper. If you have yellow bell pepper, if you have orange, whatever colors that you want to play around with, if you have your sweet corn, if you have your green beans, your green peas, whatever thing you want to add, the word is your oyster. You can add whatever you want to add. So I'm going to be adding my corn flour or my cornstarch dissolved in water. If you don't have this, you can use your flour, any type of flour you have. Then give it a good stir. And please, the quantity of corn flour you're going to be using should be about 2 to 3 spoons and on the max. Please, you don't want it to be very thickened. You just want it to thicken your soup, not to make it very thick, because it needs to still have that moisture. It still needs to be like sauce, like a sauce. So you don't want to be adding a lot of corn flour. But if you don't have corn flour, you can always use flour, but corn flour tends to be lighter than normal flour. But if you don't have this, you can always use your flour. Then give it a good stir and your food is ready. And please don't forget to cook on low heat by the time you're adding your scallions. If possible, you can even actually switch it off and just cook with the steam from the sauce, because you don't want your veggies to be overcooked or to be very soft. So yeah, our chicken curry sauce is ready. Very yummy, healthy, nutritious. If you're tired of eating your sauce, your banga, your whatever, just try this recipe. And if you have got to this level, it means that you actually like this video. Please, can you go a step ahead and share to your friends, to your family members, to your enemies? You know, give us a thumbs up. Tell us in the comment box where you are watching from. Like our video, subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Please, the notification bell is very important so that whenever I post a new video, you will see it. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.